Direct-drawn silicon crystal CZ is a single crystal of silicon prepared by the direct pool method. Straight-drawn silicon is mainly used in the manufacture of integrated circuits and semiconductor devices. It has the advantages of high purity, high density, and large scale. Its manufacturing process requires a series of processes to cut to obtain silicon wafers suitable for different applications used in semiconductor integrated circuits, diodes, epitaxial wafer substrates, and solar cells. At present, the crystal diameter can be controlled at 3 to 8 inches. Its machinable shapes are round, rectangular, open hole, curved moon, wedge angle, plano-convex, plano-concave, biconvex, biconcave, open ball, prismatic. Optics has complete optical crystal, production equipment, and experience. High-quality direct-drawn silicon crystals are available. As an optical crystal manufacturer, optical crystals of different shapes and specifications can also be customized for you according to your needs. If you have any questions or needs, welcome to Consult Online.